Jeju morning, I open my eyes. Quiet rain keeps falling outside. Breathing softly into the ground, and my heart soaks in, slowing down. From the upstairs living room, I pull the curtain wide. In the garden, reeds are glowing gold beside. So strangely bright, like they're lit from within, shining alone and winning again. The road is clean and nobody's there, like the whole world paused midair. Only raindrops count the time, and I'm standing in between the lines. Let it rain, come down gentle on me. Golden reeds sway like they're talking softly. Today I can live a little slower. It's okay, like coffee scent, just drift away. No cars, no footsteps passing through. On the window, tiny ocean sounds in blue. Under gray skies, somehow clear still. That gold light holds me where I will. While I pour the coffee warm, I feel the comfort in my palms, and the rain smell slipping through the frame washes yesterday out of my name. On the wet grass, a new day's laid, and even the parts of me I never named open a little in this rain, like a door that doesn't need explaining. Let it rain, come down gentle on me. Golden reeds sway like they're singing softly. Today I don't have to say a thing. It's okay, this quiet holds me all the way. Jeju morning, rain and coffee and golden